Good, good afternoon to one and all. Myself, I am Akila, second MBJC from Telangana State Tribal Welfare Residential Degree College, Rajana Sircilla. I choose the subject is microbiology and telling about virus. The virus is asal. What is virus? Virus are the microscopic parasites, generally much smaller than bacteria. The lacks of the capacity to thrive and reproduce outside the host cells, host body. And what is the meaning of virus? The virus infection agent of small size and simple composition that can be multiply only in living cells of animals, birds, bacteria, and also humans also. The name is from an Latin word is meaning worldwide meaning is semi-liquid or a poison. The virus is mainly the virus are the smallest of microbes. They are said to be so small than 500 rhinoviruses, which causes mainly common cold and cold fit on the head of the pin. They are the unique because they are the only alive and able to simply inside the cells of their living things. These cells they multiply is called host cells. The virus is made up of a core of genetic material, either DNA or RNA, surrounded by the protective host called capsid, which is made up of protein. Sometimes the capsid is surrounded by an additional spike. Host is called envelopes. Viruses are the capable of leaching onto host cells and getting inside them. And the next is the study of virus. The next is the study of virus is called virology. And the next is the general properties of viruses. These are the general properties of viruses. Mainly the study of the virus is called virology. Virology is a basic science of study of viral nature and the relation between viruses and hosts. And the definition of viruses. Viruses may be defined as cellular organisms. Whole genomes consist of nucleic acid and which obligately replicate inside the host cells. The definition of virus may be defined as a cellular organisms whole genomes consist of nucleic acid and which obligate replicate inside the cells using metabolic machinery and ribosomes to form a pool of components must assemble into the practicals and virions. And the next is the history of virus. Next is the history of virus. Smallpox was the endemic in China by 1000 BC. In response to the practice of virilation was developed. Recognized that the survivors of smallpox outbreaks were the production of subsequent infecticides and the variation involves the inhalation of the bread crust from smallpox lesions like snow or in a later modifications inoculation of this form allusions into the starch on the fame of a child. And the next it is a history of virus. The smallpox was the endemic China by the 2000 BC. In reproduce the practice of variolation was developed. Reorganized the that survived of the smallpox outbreaks were the mutated form. Subsequent infections, viralization involves the inhalation of the bread crust. The smallpox lives like a snoot, or the later modifications inoculate a place form of the lesion into the starch and the ferments of a child. And the next is the viral properties. Viral properties is the virus are the insert and nucleoprotein infertable agents. A virus are the obligate intracellular parasites. Virus cannot make energy or proteins independent the host cells. They are the independent host cells. Viral genomes are the DNA or RNA, not both. These are the not both. It is or DNA or RNA. Virus lack the enzyme necessary for the proteins, nucleic acid and synthesis. Virus do not have the genetic capacity to the multiply the division, and viruses occupy the twilight zone, that as they separate for the living from or the non-living. And the next is the medical importance of virus. The medical importance of virus is the viral disease ranging from the minor elements such as the common cold to terrifying disease such as the rabies or AIDS. Viral disease ranging from the minor elements such as a common cold. It is a common cold to terrifying disease such as a rabies or AIDS, and they may be sporadic like mumps, endemic like infectious hepatitis, and endemic like dangerous fever, or a pandemic like influenza. And the next they are be localized to circumscribed areas, as some arbovirus disease are the worldwide. And the viruses can be causes cancer also. These are it is as animals or birds as well as humans also. And the next is the morphology. There are the more types: size, shape, structure. The size methods of analysis. First one, methods of analysis, they are the four types. They are the passing throughout the collodium membrane, filters for the gradient porocytes. And next is the ultracentrifuge, and next is the electron microscope or the X-ray crystallography. And the next is the size of virus. The size of virus: a small virus has a diameter. A small size has the diameter about 20 nanometer. Example, parvovirus. It is as a small virus. And the large virus is a example, paxovirus. These are the 400 nanometer. It is a large virus. But small virus is a 20 nanometers. Parvovirus. A large virus is a paxovirus. And the next is the structure and shape. This is the structure and shape of virus. These are the four types. They are the virion, capsid and nucleocapsid. Virion, the complete infectious unit of virus. The complete infectious unit of virus. See the picture. It is a virion. The middle part of the virion is viral core, and the inner round like structure, it is called as a capsid, and the inner layer of the surface is called envelope. These are the very old picture. It is a complete infections unit of virus. And the next is the capsid. capsid, this is the diagram. Capsid is the protein shells or coat the enclosing the nucleic acid genomes and functions. These are the functions. They are the four types. They are protect the viral nucleic acid, and they participate in the viral infections, and genetic and specific for the each virus types, and provides the structural symmetry to the viral particles. And the next is the nucleocapsid. Nucleocapsid is the capsid which enclose the metabolic acid, include the nucleic acid, the capsid which enclose the nucleic acid. And the next is the virus genomes. The virus genomes, they are the two types. They are DNA or RNA. The difference between DNA or RNA, the DNA is a single stranded, but the RNA is a negative and positive. Both standards are there. The DNA is a double stranded segmented, but RNA is a single stranded. And next is the DNA is a circular formation. It is a single stranded circular formation, but RNA is a double stranded segmented. These are the difference between RNA and DNA. And the next is the envelope, the lipid containing members that surrounded some viral particles, and it is derived from the plasma membrane of the host cell during the release by the budding from the cell surfaces. And the viruses included glycoproteins are exposed on the surface of the envelope peplomers. The viruses may have more than one type or pelomer. The envelopes confer chemical and antigenic and biochemical properties or biological properties of the viruses. Now, not all viruses have the envelope. The two types of the viruses can be two types finded. They are envelope virus or non-envelope virus. These are divided into two types. They are envelope and non-envelope. And the next is the shape and size of viruses. Overall, the shape of the viruses, practicals viruses in different groups of viruses. The viruses are the shapes are different, like a spherical shape, rod shape, bullet shape, filament shape, brick shape, tadpole shape. These are the shapes of viruses. And the viruses is a small collection of genetic code. It is an DNA or RNA. It is a most affected cells and use the components of the host cells to make copy in themselves. They kill the host cells in the process of causes damage to the host cells and organisms, like it is a common cold and dangerous fever. See the sum of viruses. See the picture. These are some types of viruses, like HIV, hepatovirus, hepatitis B, Ebola viruses, endemic virus, influenza. These are and also coronavirus also a type of virus. And thank you giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.